I mowed grass for 6 hours yesterday, so it's completely taken off my plate. Hey guys, it's Katie Kate on the Homestead, and today I redesigned my chicken coop. I have started dismantling this area. This little space here is very dysfunctional. My birds roost here, and you can see how filthy it is and how difficult it is for me to clean. So what I need to do is take this miniature coop and I'm going to cut it back to here and just go straight back to the door. That will be plenty of space for any chicks that I need to separate. What am I doing? Changing stuff around. Ideally, I don't want my birdies in here while I'm working. My one hen is broody and she was sitting on eggs, and when I tried to unscrew some of the boards, I upset her and she got off of them. So I'm gonna have to wait to do any more. It's 7 o'clock now and I just said, screw it. The damage was done. She was off the nest. She didn't go back on the nest. So I figured I would just get in and get as much done as I could while I was at it. So I made a lot of progress today. I got this whole side torn out. I only had to make a couple of cuts. I tried to work with as much of the structure as I could, really just trying to cut it in half. And I have a few more boards to screw in along there at the bottom. Got more chicken wire to secure and put up. But this is so much more functional. And I am already excited about getting in to clean that right side of the coop by the window. Hi, Guinness. All the birds hung out with me all day. It's almost time to close the coop. I'm just going to give them a few more minutes here. If she is going broody, I'm going to need this done in the next 3 weeks regardless. And it was just a really good day to make a push with it. Okay guys, well that's it for today. Until next time, happy, healthy living. I am Katie Kate on the Homestead, and I'll see you later.